Now we do an activity to show that which is base and which is acid. To know that, we take some turmeric papers. These are turmeric paper. Turmeric paste is applied on that papers. Then we take pure water and then pour some lemon juice in it. If we pour that turmeric paper in it and its color not change, so this is an acid, and if its color change into red, then it is an base. So we dip it. This is turmeric paper, and after it we take also that water and take some detergent, but first we take it in. This paper color does not change. It shows that it is an acid. So now we can know that lime water is an acid. To show which is an base, we take now some pure water and take another turmeric paper. After we pour some detergent in it. If it is a base, then this paper turns into red. Now you can see that this paper is turned into red. This shows that the detergent powder is the base. To show these types of things, this is an turmeric paper. It is pure water. It is the pure water, and when we dip it into it, its color not gets changed. And if we take some salt in it, then also this paper not change its color. We can see that water and salts are not base or not acid. This lemon juice is known as acid and the detergent is base. By this process of the turmeric paper and some acids and base, we can find that the thing is an acid or base, because turmeric is the natural indicator of acid and base in nature. Thank you.